Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to see how we can remove this JotForm branding from our JotForm. As we know that when you sign up for the first time at JotForm, you have the starter package. So in this starter package you cannot have the authority to remove this or turn off this branding from the JotForm. So in today's video we are going to see how we can remove this. So first of all, you need to open up the form that you want to remove the JotForm branding. Click on publish, go to embed and scroll down until you see the section called source code. Open this and copy the code. So after that, we are going to paste all of the code into our body section of the document. Save this. Let's check this. As we can see that our form is being rendered from the JotForm. So first of all, before moving to the solution, let me show you one thing. If you tried displaying CSS from the CSS property, the reason behind this, this section is being called under the shadow root property. So with this shadow root property, all of the elements that are being called inside this are not handled by the CSS. It is only handled by the JavaScript itself. Let me show you some more of the things related to the shadow root. So shadow root mode property have either open or close. So as we see that we have the property of open. So open mode can be accessible through the JavaScript outside the root. And if any element that have the shadow root property mode closed, we cannot access this from the JavaScript. So to learn more about this shadow root mode property, I will drop this page link on the description box. You can check it out from there. So let's head over to the solution. Open up your code editor. So to remove the JotForm branding, as we know that we have the authority to remove it through the JavaScript code. So we are going to place the JavaScript code at the very bottom of our source code. And as you can see that we have just one line of code to remove this. First of all, we are telling that to get the document, whole document, and select the div that contains this class form footer wrapper, and then go inside the shadow root element, and then inside the shadow root we are just replacing the inner HTML to empty. That's all we are going to do with this. And the reason behind setting up this set timeout function, I'll show you in a moment. So let's save this and let's refresh this page. So as you can see that the JotForm branding is removed from there. So what about if we just comment it out just for a second? Let me show you. Refresh. So as you can see that the JotForm branding is still there because the JavaScript took some time to load the script on the page. So to delay the process of our custom code, we just say it to wait up for 1 second and then run this code. So that's all we have to do for removing the JotForm branding from our form. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to anyone who is also struggling to remove this JotForm branding from their JotForm. Thank you everyone.